Hello and welcome. Sugosha Media Private Limited presents a daily dose of aerospace and defense news from India and the world. This is your host Shanti Kuber presenting you the news for today. The major headlines: the value of defense production in financial year 22-23 has crossed the figure of 1 lakh crore for the first time. GRSE's Gain Startup Challenge, a win-win partnership to identify and encourage the development of innovative solutions towards technological advances in shipbuilding by startups. Garuda Aerospace and HAL subsidiary Naini Aerospace join hands to manufacture Make in India drones. Raytheon's hypersonic attack cruise missile undergoing subsystem ground testing, beginning fabrication. Brazilian Marine Corps induct first joint light tactical vehicle. Estonia and Latvia to begin medium-range air defense procurement negotiations. Czech Army seeks spare parts for BVP-2 infantry fighting vehicle fleet. Road and Schwartz launch CA210DNG deep learning HF signal detector for automated comment. Indus X, India US to discuss joint production of artillery jet engines, infantry vehicles. The news in detail. The value of defense production in the financial year 2022-23 has crossed the figure of rupees 1 lakh crore for the first time ever. The value currently stands at 1 lakh 6,800 crores. The current value of the defense production in FY 2022-23 is a rise of more than 12% over the previous financial year, when the figure was 95,000 crores. The Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited has embarked on a mission to identify and encourage the development of innovative solutions towards technological advances in shipbuilding by startups. As a part of this drive, the company launched the GRSE Accelerated Innovation Nurturing Scheme 2023 or GAINS 2023 in Kolkata, leverage the ecosystem that addresses present and emerging challenges in the ship design and construction industry. In an effort to boost innovation in the shipyard and propel the yard towards becoming a future ready shipyard, a scheme for encouraging innovators to be a part of this journey through an open innovation challenge is considered the need of the hour. GAINS 2023 is designed to provide new and emergent innovators, engineers, and designers the opportunity to understand the shipyard's core business interests and its established or bespoke practices, and thereby motivating them to think and innovate in this niche technology area. The shipyard has created a separate department to pursue the GAINS initiative and seek out and support innovators in India in line with the thrust of the Government of India. Garuda Aerospace and Naini Aerospace, a wholly owned subsidiary of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, signed a joint development partnership deal on 22nd May 23. The joint partnership will enable Garuda to manufacture advanced precision drones in India for various applications. These drones will be able to carry a payload of around 25 kilograms. Raytheon's Hypersonic Attack Cruise Missile (HACM), an air-launched, air-breathing hypersonic vehicle, is undergoing subsystem component testing and beginning component fabrication. In September 22, Raytheon and Northrop Grumman were awarded a $985 million contract to build and test the HACM by 2027, with the latter providing the propulsion system and the former the vehicle. The Brazilian Marine Corps Corpo de Fuzileiro Naves Fleet Marine Force induct the first Oshkosh Defense M1278A1 Heavy Guns Carrier (HGC) Joint Light Tactical Vehicle (JLTV). The Brazilian Navy confirmed its intention to deploy these platforms for United Nations peacekeeping, law enforcement, and ambitious amphibious missions. In a joint procurement for medium range air defense, Estonia and Latvia will start negotiations with the German weapons manufacturer Dale Defense for acquiring the Iris T SLM air defense system. Estonia and Latvia signed a letter of intent for the joint procurement of medium range air defense in June 2022 at the NATO summit in Madrid. The Ministry of Defense and Armed Forces of Czech Republic has issued a contract for the provision of spare parts for its fleet of BVP-2 infantry fighting vehicles IFV valued at up to $1.3 million, with the program due to run from February to October 2024. The Czech Army BVP-2 enables embarked personnel to conduct small arms fire during movement, which augments the platform's kinetic capabilities of 30 mm main gun and 7.62 mm PKT machine gun. A contract notice listed on the EU tender site stated that the deal would see the supply of spares to enable routine and technical maintenance on BVP-2 infantry fighting vehicles operated by the Czech Army. Road and Schwartz announced the launch of the RS CA210DNG detector next generation deep learning high frequency signal detection solution. It uses next generation artificial intelligence technology to expand on the R&S CA210 signal analysis software from Road and Schwartz. This is a software solution for technical offline analysis of recorded signals and wideband signal scenarios. It provides analysis functions for fixed frequency emissions and examining burst transmissions, provides signal analysts and experienced comment operators with a powerful tool for frequency domain analysis, time domain analysis, and modulation parameter measurement of unknown signals. The signal analysis results can be handed over as reports to comment. It is an ideal extension of online signal analysis solutions such as R&S CA100 or R&S CA120 Ramon. In geopolitics, the prominent news is the high-level US-India discussions. Co-production of jet engines, infantry vehicles, and long-range artillery is likely to be discussed during the Honorable Prime Minister's upcoming visit to the US next month. The said co-productions are considered under the Initiative on Critical and Emerging Technologies (ICET) announced earlier this year, and Washington will witness the launch of Indus X under the ICET to promote partnerships between Indo-US defense innovation ecosystems. That's all the news for today. Thank you and have a great day.